Asus Zenfone 8 Pro packs Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, and it will have 2.84 GHz, octa-core processor CPU and Adreno 660 GPU. In connectivity, this model will include call records, card slot, messaging, phone book, FM radio, games, edge, GPRS, face unlock, fingerprint sensor and quick charging. The Asus Zenfone 8 Mini is expected to have a screen size of 5.9 inches and weighing approximately 169 grams. This mobile will run on Android OS V11 and will have a decent resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. It will be of dimension 148mm by 68.5mm by 8.9mm. Asus Zenfone 8 Mini packs Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, and it will have 2.84 GHz, octa-core processor CPU and Adreno 660 GPU. In terms of camera, this model is supposed to come up with rear camera of 64MP plus 12MP plus 8MP with autofocus and front camera of 12MP primary camera. Other camera features will include a digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus,